Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a really stylish and a cool way to turn over any playing card. It can be from the top of the deck, it can be from the center of the deck, or it can be from the bottom of the deck. But this turnover is really very cool. This turnover is actually an one card flourish and it's called the ferris, and it's an easy flourish. It looks cool. You can do it anywhere, anytime, with any deck of card, and literally this is one of the coolest turnovers that I've actually seen. But why am I teaching you this flourish? Two reasons. First is you can actually show off while turning over any card, and the second is I'm actually developing a new false card for which you actually need this flourish, and you need actually the muscle memory. So I actually want you to learn this flourish right now, because if you learn it right now, then by that time when I'm actually going to make that tutorial on the false card, it would be very easy for you to do that flourish, because that would be more advanced. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, so this is a very impressive card flourish, and while doing it in any shows, while you're actually doing in any performance, if you're actually turning over any card like this, then the audience get impressed by your card handling skills, and your performance level actually goes to the next level of what it actually is. So it depends on which hand you're doing. If you are left-handed, that means you're doing it with your left hand, then please mirror my tutorial. And if you're actually doing it with your right hand, then it's all okay, just follow the instructions. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the card's top right corner over here with your thumb and your index finger, just like this. Then use your middle finger to press down over here, and as you press down, you're leaving your thumb, and this card actually comes like this. So just like this. So the card is right now clipped between your index finger and your middle finger. Now what you're going to do is you're going to slide this middle finger on the top of this index finger, and as you do that, the card again turns back down like this. And then what is happening is you're actually letting this edge of the card fall on this side, on the top of this deck. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lift off your middle finger, and then the card is actually held by two supports, your index finger and this edge with touching with this deck. So at this point you're going to move your index finger this side, and as you do like that, you can see the card is actually sliding on the top of the deck. And as the card slides up to the edge, what you're going to do is you're going to use your index finger just to turn this card over, and then similarly you're again turning it back like this. So that's how you actually turn over any playing card with style. Now if you want to do this with the top card, what you're going to do is you're going to just slide the top card like this, then you're going to do this entire thing. And if you want to do this from the center of the deck, then after your spectator touches a playing card, for example this one, just out jog it like this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hold it over here, pull it out, then do that move. And if you're doing this with the bottom card, then you're actually using these three fingers to go down over here and then push out the bottom card just like this. And as you push out the bottom card just like this, then you're going to use again do that card move with this card like this. You actually hold over here, and then you actually do the card flourish or the single card turnover move, whatever you might call it. And that's how you actually do this simple, cool and impressive card turnover. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing one card turnover or the one card flourish. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @shol_zari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.